In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Asana with Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to bridge the gap between task management and data analysis, this straightforward process will help you seamlessly integrate Asana, a popular task management tool, with Google Sheets for enhanced productivity and data management. To start off, head over to the Asana website. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. You'll find the login option conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button and then choose Continue with Google. At this point, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Make sure you pick the right account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, as this will help avoid any confusion later on. Once you've logged into Asana, navigate to the left panel. Here, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the project that you'd like to sync with Google Sheets. This is an important step as you'll be working within this specific project to customize and integrate with Google Sheets. Once inside your project, focus your attention on the top right corner where you'll find the Customize button. Click on it to dig deeper into the customization options available for your project. After clicking Customize, you'll notice various options designed to tailor your project to fit your unique needs. Among these options, you'll see an Add button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will set the gears in motion for adding integrations to your project. You're doing great so far. Next up, you'll want to click on the App option that appears. This is where you'll find all the available apps that can integrate with your Asana project. It's exciting to see how many possibilities there are to enhance your project workflow. Now, scroll down through the list of apps until you find Google Sheets. Yes, it's in there. Once located, click on Google Sheets. It's important to note that you can install Google Sheets as an integration only if you're subscribed to Asana, so make sure your subscription is active. Congratulations on reaching this point. You've successfully navigated through the process of syncing Asana with Google Sheets. Once installed, this integration will allow you to effortlessly export your project data into Google Sheets, where you can perform data analysis, create comprehensive reports, or simply view your tasks in a new format. So there you have it. Simple steps to sync these powerful tools together and enhance your task management and data analysis capabilities. Just follow these steps and you'll have Asana and Google Sheets working hand in hand to keep your projects and data streamlined and organized. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.